Welcome back to DJI Academy. I'm Napoleon. DJI recently dropped a new firmware update for the Mavic 3 Enterprise series, and it looks like there are some changes about the flight roof feature. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 key points. First, you can easily get the flight route menu by tapping the icon on the top left corner of your flight view. From there, you can add, change, edit, or delete missions, and even tap on the mission for more details. Second, while using the area annotation feature on the map view, you can easily set the outline as a mission area. Just click this icon, select the annotation area, then click here. At last, Mapping Mission now supports camera angle customization in advanced settings. Both aircraft orientation and gimbal pitch can be adjusted, which comes in super handy for things like sonar panel inspections. There are some other new features in this update, so if you have Mavic 3 Enterprise series, I recommend you updating and checking them out for yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to leave any comments below. See you next time.